Here's the box to the SEALIGHT Cordless Pressure Washer. And here's the box to it right here. It looks like a nice sturdy tool case that it comes in. Has a compartment up top here with 3 different slots. Another compartment over here with 3 different slots. It's got a heavy duty handle on it right here. Some solid looking hinges and just an overall strong looking box. Let's get it open with these right here. There's some foam cushioning on top, and here is the device. Here's the pressure washer itself, nice and handheld. Clicky button, access port for a battery, and the nozzle will go in here. We get a charging cable here. We get 2 lithium batteries, more packing material, some cardboard to get rid of, and then the rest of the components. And that includes this 6-in-1 multifunction nozzle. You can see how those functions will cycle through here. We have an extension pole for that, which connects like this with a simple insert and then twist. We get 2 different nozzles, one for a linear shape and one for a fan-shaped spray. We get a 45-degree angled spray nozzle. Our foaming a pot for our cleaning supplies. This is a 5-meter hose and it's got a water filter attached to it. And we also get a clamp for fixing the hose. You can charge the batteries by inserting the charging cable right down here. And you can see how much battery you have by pressing down this battery button here. And these batteries load onto the device just like this. And to remove them, we press down on this orange button here like this, and then we can slide them out. Then you take your hose here, this end of it right here, and you plug it down into the bottom of the device like this, and you twist it to the right. That'll make that nice and tight, and now you just have to submerge this in water so it can draw the water out into the pressure washer. And you can actually fill this up with water and use it as your reservoir. And then the hose can come out this hole in the top right here. If you're gonna use your foam, all you have to do is insert this into the front nozzle there, and then twist to the right until it's connected there. If you want, you can use the extender on that as well. By inserting the extender into it, locking it into place by twisting right, and then doing the same thing down here, extending that in there, and locking to the place by twisting right. Also with the extender, you can use the 45-degree angle spray here, and then you can easily connect your fan-shaped nozzle here just by pulling down on this and releasing, or your linear-shaped one by pulling back on this part, pressing down into there, and then releasing on that tip. So there you go, there's everything that you get and that you need to know about the SEALIGHT Cordless Pressure Washer.